In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view stories secretly on Telegram. 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on a story, whether it's someone else's or your own, to view it fully. Once you're viewing the story, locate the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three-dot icon to reveal a menu of options. From the menu, select Hide My View. Tap on the three-dot icon to reveal a menu of options. From the menu, select Hide My View and then enable Stealth Mode. By enabling Stealth Mode, all the stories you've viewed in the past 5 minutes and any story you view within the next 25 minutes will be hidden from view. Just remember, you won't appear in the story view list unless you react or reply to the story. To ensure complete anonymity, refrain from interacting with the story in any part from viewing it. Just know that it may be good to subscribe for Telegram Plus in order to use this feature. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.